Today I'd like to share with you just a little bit about how we're going to be getting started with our perspective. First of all, your first step is you should have taken a picture, and with your picture we have it now printed. Now what we're going to do is do a little bit of a study on your picture, and what you need to realize is and understand is where are your vanishing points. To begin with, you can see that this is the dividing half on this one. This is a 2-point perspective picture, and there's going to be probably the center line right down here in the center of this tower. Next, what we're going to have is that since there are 2 vanishing points, we're going to take the roof line on this one. I'm going to go ahead and follow that out. You're going to take the bottom part of this one, follow that so that it is, and then where it crosses back here is going to be your vanishing point. Once again, you're going to follow the roof line over here, and then you'll be able to see where the sidewalk or like the line on the bush or this part right here of the ceiling, all of those are going to be helpful whenever you find your vanishing point. To help you out with that, so you have your photo. Next, what we're going to do is you're going to be taking a piece of tracing paper, and on your tracing paper you're going to get a piece of white paper behind it. Your tracing paper, you're going to be able to draw on your photo and use a ruler, and you're going to be able to find where your vanishing points are. These are called your inaccessible vanishing points because you're not going to be able to assess them, or they're inaccessible, so you're not able to access them directly on your project, such as a 1-point perspective project, but now you're going to be able to take these back and off the page. So this is kind of the study that you're going to be doing on your vanishing points. Next, what you're going to be doing, and this is mainly for those of you who have the 2-point perspective projects, many times what I find whenever we do the 2-point perspective vanishing point sketch and you kind of work on it, some people get that 2-point perspective vanishing point incorrect because they have trouble that the vanishing point is ending too close and all of their buildings kind of look awkwardly small too fast. This inaccessible vanishing point scoots it off of the page and it makes it much more natural looking. So many of you who were struggling before with that are going to understand it more. Next, what we're going to do is you're going to be drawing your project, and some of you who have the inaccessible vanishing points, you're going to put wings onto your project. So these wings off to the side are going to be extra pieces of paper, and you're going to be able to take all of your lines back to your vanishing point. So if we see on this one, the vanishing point over here on the side, let's see if we can see it over here, the vanishing point is way over here on this piece of paper out here. So there's your vanishing point. I'll scoot it back out so you can see where it's at. It's closer. Zoom in, zoom. Alright, so over here we have your project, and remembering that all of your lines and everything that you have going on here goes back to your vanishing point. Your photo, your tracing paper are all going to be helpful indicators as to helping you out with your project on this.